If your days feel like scroll, repeat, this one is for you. Hi, I'm Marek, tropical capitalist, and today I will tell you about 8 moves to rebuild your life. I built teams and companies across Central Europe, Panama, Paraguay, and beyond. Not because I was lucky, because I decided to change. Today I'll give you 8 moves to get unstuck and build a life you actually want. This is not legal, tax, or financial advice. It's a playbook. You bring the action. So cut the old identity, rewire your environment, and build the life you want, plus how we help you do it in Panama, Paraguay, and beyond. Move 1. Make a clean decision. A real decision cuts away the old option. Pick the identity you are adopting starting now. I'm a disciplined investor who executes daily. I'm a closer who makes 3 offers a day. From this moment, act as that person. No more debates with your old habits. Quick win. Write the sentence, put it where you'll see it every hour, and that's it. Move 2. Let your environment carry you. Discipline is fragile. Environment is strong. Social apps to 5 minutes. Put your running shoes by the door. Place your book on your pillow. Remove the snack drawer from your workspace. You didn't fail willpower. You designed the room wrong. Fix the room. Quick win. Change one thing in your space before bed. Move 3. Use honest discomfort as fuel. If you are underperforming, acknowledge it without self-insult. Treat discomfort as data. What one behavior closes this gap this week? Maybe it's daily outreach, maybe it's learning market comms. Clarity beats comfort. Quick win. Write one thing you're avoiding and one action you'll take in 24 hours. Move 4. Choose the target life. You can't build a future you haven't described. Map 3-5 years snapshots, personal health, skills, relationships, professional role, reputation, mentors, financial income, net worth, causes you found. Then pull one action from each list into your next 7 days. Quick win. 1 page, 3 columns, 7 days action at the bottom. Move 5. Plan tomorrow, tonight, plus track the score. Momentum is daily, not dramatic. And each day by blocking tomorrow in 30 to 60 minute chunks. Track the 3 numbers that matter: sleep, training, revenue produced. Graph them weekly. That's it. If the line isn't moving, the plan changes. Quick win. Name your 3 metrics. Start a simple sheet. Update nightly. Move 6. Change your scene to change your state. Stuck rooms create stuck routines. Work in a hotel lobby, quiet cafe, library, or co-working space. Change environments if it helps you. New room, new rhythm, new results. Quick win. Do your next focus block outside your home. Move 7. Kill education as entertainment. Adopt the one-on-one rule. For every minute you consume, spend a minute producing. Draft an offer, send a message, analyze a deal, place a trade in your plan. Learning counts only when it ships. Quick win. When this video ends, do a 10-minute ship action before any new content. Move 8. Edit your calendar and your crowd. You don't need a dramatic breakup, just distance and focus. Fill your calendar with what advances your goals so there's less room for noise. Default no to misaligned invites. Default yes to the work that builds your new life. Quick win. Cancel one low-value commitment right now. How I apply this with clients. At Tropical Capitalist and my second option, we turn decisions into infrastructure. Relocations and Residency, Panama and Paraguay, structures that fit real life and business goals. Banking and wealth, legal efficient setups so your money serves your plan. real estate and ROI. From undervalued city apartments to tropical land and construction with clear numbers and exit options. Network, rooms full of builders, not talkers. You don't need to change everything, you need to change what matters and repeat it daily. Pick the identity, fix the room, schedule tomorrow, track the score, change the scene, ship the work, edit the crowd. Say no to what doesn't build your future. Start today. Not perfect, just in motion. So if you want to escape your routine and you want a tailored plan for Panama or Paraguay or El Salvador residency, banking and investment roadmap, message me on WhatsApp or book a free call. Links in the description. See you on the next video. Ciao.
At My Second Option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.